Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Court Admission nagbenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka Court Admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Tamasa di Jingbam bat Jumble sil blapen long rek Seng Kynthei Lachaumiere klakring ki babun ki pat ba nang shoshnong bani shimbenta hagan ga Tamasa balai jingrsha nak dor bashnong Lachaumiere ya ka blapen long haga khandai je ujemang arjar arpusan lapli ya ka Tamasa di Jingbam de Deputy Commissioner Jong East Khasi Hills District kong RM Kurba ka blalong ku kongsan ringkat ke jenan lang jo orang bashnong Dr. Amanwar ka advisor jong Seng Kynthei Lachaumiere ka kong Thailin Phanbu bagi pat ba nang shoshnong
kuma gani ka por ka sin ka paningkong ba ka shnong ka dorba shnong Lachaumiere ringkat pat ka Seng Kynthei ka balong hakmat do pan benbet ya gani ka food festival nang penta Jingbam kam jong ka Seng Kynthei but kasong ni marok away. Ibet pau ka jing sokban ka juni, ka jing senat ka juni, ka jing don lem don dekat jong ikhle jong ka district ka juni. Ikong RM kurba ibaju ain se mi man ka por kum kasong ka baret kasong ka ba nyabun Kibaya syong lang, akan ada syong, kibaya clear lang. Kebangin daon nak tin, nang way kadai cosmopolitan syong. Bat ni penpau ke jing so, tenat ke jing so keman ke jing ba baro kinong syong. Bat lang ilong kumni kia wan lang banyak tray lang dekat. Bat penlong ya kini ke food festival ke berjob. Hakajuk ke poru ke step ke berkeman. But kapag kamsok tenat iti baro hakuma gani kapor but ni penpawe ka jingkaman ya kini kikenda school gijungi ibadai na po ka All Saints Higher Secondary School kajing temu jong gani ka food festival kalong panginla ban benmi ya usennya ubenhei dah kebentar kikam ibarat ba jong ka Seng Kynthei kibai tresham baros kata kibaya perkhat sani baros kata kumno ban penmi ya kata kafan badai gani ka jistang ningkong kaba kishim bentar Thnem dah berpenbet ya kani ke food festival kindang dan su di program ibadai namanta ka baha kamiat jong di imlang salang ibanuan hadir jong idin bat kani kan long ringkat bat kajing tri lang bat gibor jong ka sarkar.
I congratulate all of you for having organized this food fest as well as the jumbo sale that we can see on my left side, and I wish the locality members all the best. I used to stay in one locality where Dr. Amanwar was also grew up in, and over there we always have this kind of events, and it becomes an annual kind of thing. From what I see, and I've been a member of the Seng Kynthei there, and it gives us a sense of belonging. It brings people together, the residents together. It gives a sense of safety for us when we move around in the locality because we come to know each and every resident. Sometimes in this modern world, and especially your locality is one of the posh locality in the society. I think so. Some of you may not even know your neighbors, so to say, which is happening in my locality where I'm staying now. I kind of do not know everyone. But then back then where I was staying, we know each and every family. So that kind of thing only happens when there's a connect. And this begins today in your locality. I congratulate all of you. And also, one thing is that, as Rita has mentioned, that you have a very vibrant Rambashnam, and we really need good leaders, because if having a good leader, then they are far-sighted and they kind of bring in new ideas, new hope to the society, and therefore, what we sing today is not just it did not just happen by chance. It is something well thought of, process which has, I think so they must have spent sleepless night to think about this. And of course, I know about a lot of things that you were mentioning about the dilapidated, structure which Madam Panbo was mentioning. And of course, we're working on it. And the process I need not mention here, but the process is on, and we are going to move to the government for, once we get the papers in place, we're going to move to the government for giving that plot of land for your needs, because it's very important to have your own center to take care of not only the welfare of the society in general, but especially health and children and women. So this is something which we look forward, and I wish each one of you the best. May the spirit of today remains in your heart, and that may God bless each one of you. And I wish you all the best. And I declare this food fest and jumbo sale open this morning. Thank you so much.